In this video, I'll show you how to cycle crop in CapCut. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your CapCut. Okay, look at this video now. If you love to cycle crop it, what you need to do, just tap on it, scroll. Okay, I'm going to just take it up. Okay, so what you need to do, just remove it, click on edit. I think you need to scroll. Yeah, you're going to be able to see the max option. So from the max option, you can be able to see the circle crop option here in your CapCut. So click on max. So you're going to be able to see circle. I'm going to click on it. So you can see exactly what I'm telling you. So I'm able to circle crop it. You need to find the exact part of the video you love to circle crop. So you can be able to adjust it from your own preference if you want. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.